Today we'll be making this circle style apron. It's two fabrics together, sewed together with a waistband, and then it ties in the back. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so for this project we're going to need two kinds of fabric. These are both going to be 1.5 yards by 45 inches wide. So two kinds of fabric. Then you're going to have some thread, a tissue paper, a pencil, some tape, a tape measure, your pattern. This is a small scale, so it'll be much larger. Some pins and some scissors. And you're going to need an ironing board, an iron, and a sewing machine. Okay, so we go to make our pattern. Oh, I should have something that looks like this minus the lines in here. So from in here to here, so if you start at the center of your paper and then go down and go over like this, you should have a 7-inch circle in the center. And then from the center, you're going to go down and measure all the way up and all the way over, and that'll equal 27 inches. So the inner circle is 7 inches going this way and 7 inches going this way. And then the under circle is 27 inches from the point down over. So that's how you're going to make your large pattern. This is a small scale, so your pattern will be big. Okay, so you're going to have something that looks like this when you cut it out. So you're going to have to end up cutting 2 extra pieces for your apron on both of your fabrics. And then you're going to cut out a 5-inch by 45 width for your waistband, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second. So you're going to cut out your waistband, which I said was 45 inches wide by 5 inches. The way to make this easier is if you fold the fabric in half and then just cut a 5-inch piece from it. Okay, let me take you to the next step. So you should have 2 skirt panels and 1 waistband. Okay, let's begin the rest. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to pin all the way around, and you're going to sew at a half-inch seam allowance, and then you're going to cut triangles into your fabric. Be careful not to get too close to the seam, and you're going to leave the curve. Hold on. The curve of your apron open. Don't sew that. And you're going to pull right sides through. And then before you do that, you got to clip your corners at the square part. Like this. Okay. Let me show you. You're going to pull right sides out. And then you're going to iron your apron. And then you're going to, hold on a sec. You're going to baste stitch in your curve, which is a long stitch. And then your skirt is almost done. Now I'll talk about the waistband. Okay, so you got your waistband here. What you're going to do is, when it's open, you're going to meet the edge of your waistband, and then you're going to iron the center line for that, and then you're going to hold on a second. Then you're going to fold your edges into the center line, and you're going to iron that as well. So with your ends to finish them off, so what you're going to do is you're going to open your waistband, and then you're going to meet the center with the center and the edge with the edge, and then you're going to sew a little seam here. This is the inside of the band, see? Right there. So then when you get that done, you're going to push it right sides out. And then you should have something that looks like this that's finished. And your inside is on the inside. So let me show you that again. So with it sewn, you should have something that looks like this, like I said. But to get that, you have to turn it inside out and sew the seam. Alright, do that to both sides. And then I'll take you to the next step. So you're going to match your centers with your centers on your skirt, and then you're just going to sew along the edge of your band, and then you're done. You're going to also pin, I forgot to mention, and then you'll sew. Alright, I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you like this circle apron, and I hope you make one. Alright, thank you.